Uniqa Dental. Order online directly from the manufacturer.
So you have a multi-unit level scan and sleeves for multi-unit D-type. Let's select items in exocad. First, select library for multi-unit level. Then, select short scan body. There's another option for a long scan body as well. After that, select sleeves for D-type MUA with required cement gap, 100 to 40 microns. Done. Now you can attach skin bodies with scan data and start your design process. The following items can be used in this case. Angled and straight MUAs D-type, all platforms. Skin body MUA level D-type, height 6 mm. Sleeve for MUA D-type, height 4 mm.
Uniqa Dental. Your committed partners in innovation and dentists' business growth.